Hi, and thanks for joining us. This is Elevated, a way to connect, learn, and lead in energy education. It's a strategic initiative to build capability and capacity across the vet energy workforce. Here's the reality. The energy transition is a workforce transition. We're seeing new technologies, new regulations, and new expectations arriving all at once. Renewables are scaling fast. The grid is modernising. Storage is changing how work gets done. And compliance and safety requirements keep evolving, reshaping what happens on site. To meet these demands, the pipeline of talent needs to be strong. But that pipeline relies on one essential thing: energy educators keeping pace to deliver the training the workforce needs. Now imagine being an energy educator right now. You're teaching into one of Australia's fastest moving workforce transformations. But career pathways, professional development and support haven't always kept up. So let's be clear about what Elevated is and what it isn't. Elevated isn't a one-off training course. It isn't a static compliance framework. And it isn't a top-down mandate. Elevated is an ecosystem designed to support energy educators, a professional development pathway, and a co-designed career infrastructure. The Elevated initiative sits within the VET blueprint, with a mandate to build the capability, capacity, and confidence of the education workforce. And it's designed with educators, not just for them. Elevated aims to deliver a national PD framework aligned with clear educator career pathways and delivered via a dedicated learning and collaboration platform. The goal is to provide professional support to energy teachers from their transition into the vet sector and throughout their career journey by recognising their unique backgrounds and providing them with access to the personalised support they need to help build a world-class future energy workforce. Elevated focuses on 4 pillars to bridge the gap between education and industry: career clarity, meaningful professional development, innovation and collaboration, and stronger connection to industry and impact. Pillar 1 is career clarity. To retain and attract energy educators, we need clearer pathways beyond the classroom. That means mapping growth, specialist roles, and what a career in energy education can genuinely look like over time. Pillar 2 is meaningful professional development, not box ticking. Learning that builds confidence, sharpens practice, and keeps educators connected to change, including emerging technologies and modern teaching approaches. Pillar 3 is innovation and collaboration. Because energy education doesn't happen in isolation. Elevated creates space for educators to collaborate with peers, thought leaders, and industry experts to share what works and test new ideas together. Pillar 4 is connection to industry and impact. It's about keeping learning current with rapid industry change, grounding training in real workforce needs, and strengthening the link between classroom outcomes and job site performance. Now here's the key point. Elevated is co-designed. It only works if the right people are involved in building it. So we're inviting RTOs, educators, professional development providers, and industry partners. Together we'll define what good looks like for an energy educator now and into the future. So how can you get involved? You can join learning communities and design activities. You can help shape capability frameworks and career progressions. You can contribute professional development concepts or pilot them in your organisation. And you can share case studies, challenges, and innovations that are already working. And this is important. Elevated is an investment, not an obligation. It's not about adding more to already full plates. It's about building support structures that genuinely work for the people doing the work, recognising educators as professionals and leaders, and creating a system that supports the educator so the educator can support the industry. Elevated is an investment in the people who make the energy transition possible. Future-ready educators for a future-ready workforce. If you care about training quality and workforce readiness, we'd love you to be part of it. Let's connect, learn and lead in energy education together.